This is your dress rehearsal video. Going to be short and sweet for your variety show. I hope you guys are really excited. I want to remind you guys that this will not be a perfect performance, that you might miss some lines, some funny things will happen, accidents, and some improv. That's okay. We're not aiming for perfection. Remember to repeat lines if the audience is laughing or if some sort of ruckus or loud thing happens. It's better that you repeat it than that they might miss something. So if there's some sort of noise that covers up a line, you say, go ahead and repeat it. I know it feels awkward, but it's good. It's a good thing to do. Make sure you go to the bathroom before the performance starts. Nerves tend to promote bathroom. Nerves can sort of make people have to all of a sudden have to go to the bathroom, and you don't want to go during a performance. Remember to speak low, slow, and loud. Again, it will feel a little uncomfortable, but you need to do it. People are going to compliment you tonight, and you need to say thank you graciously because you're amazing. God made you in His image. You are amazing. And then point to the Lord somehow and give Him the glory. Thank your coach and thank your wingman. They did a lot of work to get you to this show. They love you. They care about you. So love them back. Tell them what you love about them, what you love about Mad Society, and let them feel your thankfulness right now. You might be especially nervous if you're going to do a talent act tonight, but don't be nervous. Conquer that. Be brave. Be a leader. Act like everyone wants to see all the things that you are going to do and perform. You guys are going to do a great job. Bless you all with the ability to recall your lines and to have fun and to be Jesus and show Jesus and bring Him glory and bring heaven to earth during your variety show. Have fun! Oh, and make sure you post it. I want to see what you guys did.